and welcome to Knight Scientific's podcast from New Scientist Live. We're going to be talking to Ian Mudway from Health Impacts of Environmental Hazards.
My name's Ian Mudway, and I'm here at New Scientist Live representing the work of the National Institute of Health Research. This is a mouthful, Health Protection Research Unit in the Health Impacts of Environmental Hazards. My work is based on trying to understand the impacts of air pollution on people growing up in our cities. My work specifically looking at children, the way in which children's respiratory health is affected as they grow. We do work attempting to understand what they're exposed to, trying to understand the chemistry of the stuff in the air, which is incredibly complicated, and then trying to work out the mechanisms by which air pollution, once it's inhaled, brings about either respiratory effects or cardiovascular effects on the learning of children, and increasingly whether it's also associated with an increased risk of dementia in the elderly. In a sense, the whole stand here, our whole work within the HPRU is predicated not on curing disease, it's about trying to prevent so many people developing chronic disease in old age, identifying the things which cause harm, and then coming up with strategies to reduce that harm across the whole population. When you do work, which really goes from doing fundamental chemistry all the way to understanding how population level effects are happening, yes, there is nobody who has that universal skill set. So the actual public health space needs mathematicians, physicists, modelers, statisticians, geneticists, chemists, biochemists, all the way through the platform. If you don't have that, then you can't really make some unified progress. It's not about making us live much longer, it's about making us live well until eventually we reach the point where everybody demises, but we decline quite quickly, there isn't a long and lingering period of death. Just look up Health Protection Research Unit, Environment and Health.
My thanks to Ian for taking time to talk to us. This podcast has been made possible by Knight Scientific. If you'd like to take part, drop me a line, hello@iamthehow.com. This is a How production. Please share and subscribe.